So we have this situation. So we have to integrate this irrational part. So we know that if we will have quadratic with root under linear, we used to take linear component as z square. So we will apply the same concept over here. What we will do, we have linear as x plus 1 equals z square. Now do the differentiation both sides. So it is 1 equals to 2z dz by dx. Now just apply the replacements. So who is dx? Dx is 2z dz. Now just write everything in terms of z. So x square. So who is x? X is z square minus 1 whole square. You can take value of x from here. Okay. Then 5 times x. So who is x? Z square minus 1 plus 6. And then we have root under z square. So root under z square will become z. So this thing gone. Can I take 2 outside? Because it's a constant number, so we can take that number outside. So we have dz as z power 4 plus 1 minus 2z square plus 5z square minus 5 plus 6. Just simplify everything. So dz as z power 4 plus 3z square plus of 2. Now, if you'll observe the denominator, you are having biquadratic. So you may get intuition of handling biquadratic. But try to recall your biquadratic situation. The situation was x square plus or minus 1 upon x power 4 plus kx square plus 1. This element has to be 1. But here that element is 2. So what we'll do? Again we have to do simplification. So 2 times z power 4 plus 2z square plus z square plus 2 dz. Okay. Now we have 2 times integration z power 4. Sorry, we will take z power 2 common. Z power 2 plus 1 and z power 2 plus 2 dz. Now, can I write, that? Yes. Can I write numerator as the difference of big minus small? Means can I write z square plus 2 minus z square plus 1? And these two things will become two independent questions and we can handle accordingly. So integration of dz by z square plus 1 minus 2 times integration of dz by z square plus root 2 square. If you'll observe, in the denominator we don't have root. So if we are comfortable, we will be using 1 by a. If we are not comfortable, 1 by 2a. So it is without root. So we guys are comfortable. So in first scenario, you have integration as tan inverse x. In second scenario, you have 1 by a, 1 by root 2, tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay. Now you have to do the replacement because they asked question in terms of x, not z. Okay. So who was z? Z was tan inverse root over x plus 1. Yes, x plus 1 minus root 2 tan inverse root over x plus 1 upon root 2 plus integration constant c. So this is the answer. I hope the idea is clear and you can handle similar situations.